Have you been feeling tired lately, even after a full night's sleep? Do you find yourself lacking energy, struggling to focus, or reaching for coffee just to get through the day? While many people blame stress or aging, the real cause could be a lack of iron in your diet. Iron is essential for carrying oxygen throughout your body, supporting brain function, and maintaining healthy energy levels. When your iron levels are low, fatigue and weakness often follow. The good news is that certain foods are naturally rich in iron and other nutrients that help your body stay energized. Today, we're counting down 7 powerful iron-rich superfoods that can help support healthy iron levels and boost overall vitality. Make sure to stay until the end because the final superfood may surprise you. 1. Spinach. When people think of iron-rich foods, spinach is often the very first thing that comes to mind, and for good reason. This leafy green has earned its reputation as one of the world's most nutritious vegetables and has been associated with strength and vitality for generations. Spinach contains a valuable amount of iron while also providing vitamin C, folate, magnesium, potassium, vitamin K, and a wide variety of antioxidants. Together, these nutrients support healthy red blood cell production, muscle function, brain performance, and overall energy metabolism. One of the reasons spinach is so highly valued is because it delivers a large amount of nutrition while being very low in calories. This means you can add generous portions to your meals without significantly increasing your calorie intake. Whether you're trying to improve your health, maintain your weight, or simply boost your nutrient intake, spinach is an excellent choice. Iron plays a critical role in producing hemoglobin, the protein responsible for carrying oxygen throughout the body. Without enough iron, your organs and muscles may receive less oxygen than they need, which can leave you feeling tired, weak, and mentally drained. This is one reason why increasing iron-rich foods may help support healthy energy levels over time. Spinach is also rich in chlorophyll, the pigment that gives it its deep green color. Some researchers believe chlorophyll may provide additional health benefits due to its antioxidant properties. Combined with compounds like lutein and zeaxanthin, spinach helps support eye health and may protect cells from oxidative stress. Another impressive feature of spinach is its versatility. You can enjoy it raw in salads, blend it into smoothies, add it to soups, mix it into pasta sauces, use it in omelets, or sauté it as a side dish. Even a small handful can dramatically improve the nutritional value of a meal. Interestingly, cooking spinach can actually make certain nutrients more available to the body. While fresh spinach offers its own benefits, lightly steaming or sautéing it may help improve the absorption of some minerals and antioxidants. For even better iron absorption, pair spinach with foods rich in vitamin C. A squeeze of lemon juice, sliced oranges, strawberries, kiwi, or bell peppers can help your body absorb more of the iron naturally present in leafy greens. This simple combination can make a noticeable difference over time. If you're looking for an easy way to support healthy energy levels naturally, spinach deserves a permanent place on your shopping list. 2. Lentils. Lentils may be small, but they are among the most powerful nutrient-dense foods you can eat. For thousands of years, people around the world have relied on lentils as a staple food because they are affordable, filling, easy to prepare, and packed with essential nutrients. 1 cup of cooked lentils provides a generous amount of iron along with protein, fiber, folate, potassium, magnesium, and complex carbohydrates. This unique combination makes lentils particularly effective at supporting sustained energy rather than providing a quick burst followed by an energy crash. Unlike highly processed foods that can cause rapid spikes and drops in blood sugar, lentils release their energy slowly. Their high fiber content helps slow digestion and promotes a more stable release of glucose into the bloodstream. This can help you feel energized and satisfied for longer periods. The iron found in lentils supports the production of healthy red blood cells, while their protein helps maintain and repair muscle tissue. Folate works together with iron to support healthy blood formation, making lentils an especially valuable food for people looking to improve their overall vitality. Lentils are also one of the best plant-based protein sources available. For individuals following vegetarian or plant-focused diets, they offer an excellent way to increase both iron and protein intake simultaneously. Another benefit of lentils is their positive impact on digestive health. The fiber they contain helps support beneficial gut bacteria and promotes regular digestion. A healthy digestive system can improve nutrient absorption and contribute to better overall wellness. Lentils are incredibly versatile in the kitchen. They can be added to soups, stews, curries, casseroles, salads, grain bowls, and even homemade veggie burgers. Because they absorb flavors exceptionally well, they fit naturally into a wide variety of cuisines. Many people are surprised by how filling lentils can be. A meal centered around lentils often keeps hunger away for hours, helping reduce unhealthy snacking and supporting more consistent energy levels throughout the day. Their long shelf life and affordability make them one of the most practical superfoods available. Whether you're looking to save money, improve your nutrition, or support healthy iron levels, lentils are one of the smartest foods you can add to your diet. 3. Pumpkin seeds. Don't let their small size fool you. Pumpkin seeds are nutritional powerhouses packed with iron and a remarkable collection of nutrients that support overall health and energy production. These tiny seeds contain iron, magnesium, zinc, copper, protein, healthy fats, antioxidants, and several important vitamins. Together, these nutrients help support everything from immune function and muscle recovery to brain performance and healthy metabolism. One of the standout nutrients in pumpkin seeds is magnesium. This mineral is involved in more than 300 biochemical reactions throughout the body. It helps convert food into usable energy, supports healthy nerve function, assists muscle contraction, and contributes to overall physical performance. Many adults fail to consume enough magnesium daily, which is one reason pumpkin seeds can be such a valuable addition to a healthy diet. Even a small handful provides a meaningful amount of this essential mineral. Pumpkin seeds are also rich in zinc, a nutrient that plays a critical role in immune health, wound healing, and cellular repair. When combined with their iron content, pumpkin seeds become an excellent food for supporting overall vitality and resilience. Another reason pumpkin seeds are so beneficial is their healthy fat profile. These fats provide a slow-burning source of energy and help keep you feeling satisfied between meals. Combined with protein and fiber, they create a powerful trio that promotes stable energy levels throughout the day. Research has shown that pumpkin seeds contain antioxidants that may help reduce oxidative stress in the body. Oxidative stress can damage cells over time and may contribute to feelings of fatigue and accelerated aging. Antioxidants help neutralize these harmful compounds and support long-term health. Pumpkin seeds are also incredibly convenient. They require no cooking, no special preparation, and can easily be carried as a healthy snack. You can sprinkle them over salads, stir them into oatmeal, blend them into smoothies, add them to homemade granola, or simply enjoy them by the handful. For people looking to naturally increase their iron intake without making major changes to their diet, pumpkin seeds offer one of the easiest solutions available. Just a small serving each day can provide a valuable boost of iron and several other essential nutrients. Their combination of iron, magnesium, protein, healthy fats, and antioxidants makes pumpkin seeds one of the most complete energy-supporting superfoods you can find. If you're searching for a simple snack that delivers impressive nutritional benefits, pumpkin seeds deserve serious consideration. 4. Lean red meat. Few foods provide iron as efficiently as lean red meat. Unlike plant-based sources, red meat contains heme iron, a form of iron that is absorbed much more easily by the body. This makes it one of the most effective dietary sources for supporting healthy iron levels and helping prevent iron deficiency. One of the reasons nutrition experts often recommend lean red meat for individuals with low iron levels is because the body can utilize its iron far more efficiently than many plant-based sources. While plant foods certainly contribute valuable iron, heme iron found in red meat generally has a higher absorption rate, allowing the body to access this essential mineral more readily. In addition to iron, lean red meat provides high-quality protein, vitamin B12, zinc, selenium, phosphorus, and several B vitamins that work together to support energy production and overall health. These nutrients play critical roles in maintaining healthy muscles, supporting the nervous system, and helping the body convert food into usable energy. Vitamin B12 deserves special attention because it is essential for healthy nerve function and red blood cell production. In fact, deficiencies in either iron or vitamin B12 can lead to similar symptoms, including fatigue, weakness, poor concentration, dizziness, and reduced physical performance. Consuming foods that provide both nutrients simultaneously can help support optimal energy levels. The protein found in lean beef is also extremely valuable. Protein provides the building blocks needed to repair tissues, maintain muscle mass, support immune function, and regulate countless processes throughout the body. Because protein digests more slowly than simple carbohydrates, it can also help you stay satisfied longer after meals. Another advantage of lean red meat is its nutrient density. A relatively modest serving can provide a substantial amount of nutrition without requiring large portions. This makes it particularly useful for individuals who need to increase their nutrient intake efficiently. Choosing lean cuts such as sirloin, tenderloin, eye of round, or extra lean ground beef allows you to benefit from the nutritional advantages while keeping saturated fat intake under control. When paired with vegetables and whole foods, lean red meat can become part of a highly nutritious and balanced meal. To maximize iron absorption even further, consider combining red meat with foods rich in vitamin C such as tomatoes, bell peppers, broccoli, citrus fruits, or leafy greens. This combination creates an even more powerful nutritional package for supporting healthy blood cells and long-term energy production. 5. Oysters. Oysters are often celebrated for their exceptionally high zinc content, but many people are surprised to learn that they are also among the richest natural sources of iron available. In fact, ounce for ounce, oysters can provide significantly more iron than many foods traditionally associated with this mineral. These remarkable shellfish contain highly absorbable heme iron, along with zinc, vitamin B12, copper, selenium, omega-3 fatty acids, and high-quality protein. This impressive nutritional profile makes oysters one of the most nutrient-dense foods found in nature. Iron helps transport oxygen throughout the body, zinc supports immune function and cellular repair, while vitamin B12 contributes to healthy blood cells and nervous system function. Together, these nutrients create a powerful combination that supports energy production, mental clarity, and overall vitality. Oysters are particularly noteworthy because they provide a wide range of essential nutrients in a relatively small serving size. This concentration of nutrition is one reason they have been prized by coastal communities for centuries. Long before modern nutrition science existed, many cultures recognized oysters as a valuable food source that promoted strength and endurance. Copper is another important nutrient found in oysters. While often overlooked, copper helps the body utilize iron effectively and plays a role in forming healthy red blood cells. This makes oysters especially beneficial because they provide multiple nutrients that work together to support healthy oxygen transport. In addition to their iron content, oysters contain antioxidants that help protect cells from oxidative damage. Oxidative stress can contribute to fatigue, inflammation, and accelerated aging, making antioxidant-rich foods an important part of a healthy diet. For seafood lovers, oysters offer an exceptional way to increase nutrient intake while enjoying a unique culinary experience. They can be eaten raw, grilled, baked, steamed, or incorporated into various recipes depending on personal preference. Although oysters may not be an everyday food for most people, even occasional consumption can contribute valuable nutrients that support energy, immunity, and overall wellness. 6. Quinoa. Unlike many grains, quinoa stands out because it is considered a complete protein. This means it contains all 9 essential amino acids that the human body cannot produce on its own. While this characteristic alone makes quinoa impressive, it also delivers iron, magnesium, phosphorus, manganese, fiber, and numerous antioxidants. Originally cultivated thousands of years ago in the Andes Mountains, quinoa was so highly valued that ancient civilizations referred to it as the mother grain. Today, it remains one of the most nutritious plant foods available. Its balanced nutritional profile helps support steady energy levels throughout the day. The combination of complex carbohydrates, protein, and fiber slows digestion and promotes a gradual release of energy rather than the rapid spikes and crashes often associated with refined grains. Iron supports healthy oxygen transport, while magnesium contributes to hundreds of biochemical reactions involved in energy production. Every cell in your body depends on these processes to function efficiently, making magnesium one of the most important minerals for maintaining vitality. Quinoa also provides a significant amount of manganese, a trace mineral involved in metabolism and antioxidant defense. This additional nutritional support helps the body convert nutrients into usable energy while protecting cells from damage. One of quinoa's greatest advantages is its versatility. It can be served as a breakfast porridge, added to salads, mixed into soups, used as a side dish, or incorporated into grain bowls. Its mild flavor allows it to pair well with both sweet and savory ingredients. Because quinoa is naturally gluten-free, it has become particularly popular among individuals seeking alternatives to traditional grains. Many people find that meals based on quinoa leave them feeling energized and satisfied without the sluggishness sometimes associated with heavily processed carbohydrates. Another benefit of quinoa is its fiber content. Fiber supports digestive health, promotes fullness, and helps maintain stable blood sugar levels. This combination of benefits makes quinoa an excellent foundation for meals designed to support both energy and long-term health. For anyone looking to increase iron intake while also obtaining high-quality plant protein, quinoa remains one of the best choices available. 7. Spirulina. If there is one superfood that truly deserves a place near the top of this list, it is spirulina. This blue-green algae has been consumed for centuries and is widely regarded as one of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet. Despite its simple appearance, spirulina contains an astonishing concentration of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, protein, and iron. Gram for gram, spirulina delivers more nutrition than many conventional foods. This extraordinary nutrient density is one reason it has become so popular among athletes, health enthusiasts, and individuals looking to support their overall well-being. Its iron content supports healthy red blood cell production and oxygen transport, while its protein provides essential amino acids needed for tissue repair, muscle maintenance, and countless biological processes. Remarkably, spirulina contains approximately 60 to 70% protein by weight, making it one of the richest natural protein sources available. Spirulina is also rich in B vitamins, which play important roles in converting food into energy. These vitamins help support metabolism and may contribute to improved vitality when consumed as part of a balanced diet. One of the most unique compounds found in spirulina is phycocyanin, the pigment responsible for its deep blue-green color. Research suggests this powerful antioxidant may help combat oxidative stress and support healthy cellular function. Since oxidative stress can contribute to fatigue and aging, antioxidant-rich foods like spirulina may provide valuable support for overall wellness. Another advantage of spirulina is its convenience. It is commonly available as a powder or tablet and can easily be added to smoothies, juices, yogurt, oatmeal, or homemade energy snacks. Even a small serving can provide a concentrated nutritional boost. Many people appreciate spirulina because it allows them to increase nutrient intake without consuming large amounts of food. This can be particularly useful for individuals with busy lifestyles who want to support their health in a simple and efficient way. While spirulina is not a miracle cure for fatigue, its remarkable nutritional profile makes it one of the most impressive superfoods available. Combined with a balanced diet, adequate sleep, regular exercise, and healthy lifestyle habits, spirulina can be a valuable tool for supporting energy, vitality, and overall wellness. The truth is that lasting energy does not come from another cup of coffee, an energy drink, or a sugary snack that provides only temporary stimulation. Real, sustainable energy begins at the cellular level. It comes from giving your body the nutrients it needs to produce healthy blood cells, transport oxygen efficiently, maintain strong muscles, and support every biological process that keeps you functioning at your best. By regularly incorporating these 7 iron-rich superfoods into a balanced diet, you can help support healthy iron levels, improve overall vitality, and provide your body with the building blocks it needs to thrive. Small dietary improvements made consistently over time often produce the most meaningful results. These nutrient-packed foods represent some of the most powerful tools nature provides for supporting strength, endurance, mental clarity, and long-lasting energy.